And on the beach, the show was beginning.
Any magician can make the Queen of Diamonds disappear. But what about a whole house?
George Michael?
We just got here. I couldn't find my keys. I can never find anything in here.
Well, once there was a yacht. Now there is not.
All right, so how'd you do it?
Michael, magician never reveals his... I sunk it! I sunk the yacht! At least I think I sunk it. I mean, I blew it up and I don't see it anywhere. Oh, God, my heart was in my throat when that curtain came down and I was like...
You sank the yacht? You sunk a $700,000 yacht?
$900,000 worth of insurance on it and got rid of the evidence. How about a good job?
Seeing a window of opportunity, Lucy